Question 17, we're looking at a hydroboration reaction, and the question tells us that hydroboration does not usually work well for compounds that have alcohols. And so the question is why? So what we have to consider here is what goes on in a hydroboration reaction that might get disrupted. Now we haven't talked that much about the second step of hydroboration, which is the cleavage of the hydrogen-boron bonds with hydrogen peroxide and base. But we can be pretty certain that step, the second step, is not going to be interfered with. And we know that because we know that that second step is what forms the actual alcohol in the product. So it has to be something in the first step that the alcohol is going to interfere with. And we know that the mechanism of hydroboration involves an alkene doing nucleophilic attack onto the empty p orbital in the boron. So this is the step that has to be problematic. And the issue becomes that an alcohol is also a nucleophile. And so it's very, very likely that what will happen is that instead of the alkene attacking the boron, the oxygen will attack the boron preferentially. This forms a complex between oxygen and boron, which, while not a strong complex, can be enough to prevent the carbonyl or the carbon-carbon double bond from reacting with the boron.